Yeah.
Hey. Michael Block, from the Republic?
A bird with a word came to me.
Maybe we should talk more. You know, I mean, maybe you could tell me more about Christina and Point Lash.
I could call you.
I got my patience and I'm making do. I learned my lessons from the ancient rules.
So I kept running back in my mind how you might respond to me asking you for a drink after.
So that was you asking me? That was elaborate.
In my mind, it wasn't that forward. You know what I mean? It was more smoother.
Couldn't fake it if I wanted
I was supposed to call you, I thought.
Yeah, you were supposed to. But you didn't.
So I take it you're not walking down any aisles anytime soon?
No. What about you?
Me, I broke up with my last boyfriend after he proposed.
You got commitment issues?
Wow.
Wondering if it's not too early in the night to kiss you.
We came up in a lonely castle. My papa was behind them balls. We never had to want for nothing. Said all we ever need is love. We see the same thing.
It wasn't too early.
I see.
We feel the same grief. Bleed the same blood. You grew up in the
I think I'm not used to meeting anyone,
I get that.
How could I make it here?
but I need you.
I pray I leave
I don't care where you live. I just want to be close to you as much as possible.
came to me. The sweetness of
And I don't want so much time to pass that we can't come back.
how I look was taking over me. Couldn't fake it if I wanted to.
I
I
don't
had
want-
to wake up just to make it through. I got my patience and I'm making do.
How's Lyndon?
I've just been out here being pathetic. Thinking about you.
Good.